Hello, my friends. It is Ketchup Day, also known as Hot Dog Day or French Fry Day. One of these days I'm going to be eating French fries as I do this video, just because that'd be cool. Why do we call it Ketchup Day? Well, really, technically, I think I'm the only one that calls it Ketchup Day. It's the Stamps of Life, but I'm calling it Ketchup Day with you as well. Ketchup Day means on the 25th of every month, we re-release items that were in a card kit like maybe 2 years ago, or something I took on HSN 5 years ago, or something I released with Sizzix 10 years ago, but they're oldies and goodies that we need to bring back because they are so awesome, right? Also, I have today a twine set that we used to put twine in our kits all the time, and Faylene found a box of some that were in bags that are ready to go to the website. So boom, we're putting them on. Let's look at first this item. This is the A1 Deckle Edge card base. Look at how massive this card base is. Comes with the words hello, happy birthday, wishes, and celebrate. So you could say birthday wishes, happy birthday, hello wishes, celebrate, happy birthday. Lots of different options, and it's Deckle Edge. One of the layering dies has dots, the other one does not. So many different options. This was in our July 2022 card kit. 2 years ago, this was included in our card kit. We have been releasing A1 card bases in our card kit for a long time. Those of you that were not in our card kit 2 years ago, now is your chance to get it. But you know what? It's just easier to be in the card kit. So go sign up for the card kit so you don't miss out on any of these awesome A1 card bases. Because yes, it is true. Our card kit boxes that look like this, see that big box up there? Oh, where is it? There, that big box. Every card kit now comes with an A1 card base. Wait, what? Yeah, it's true. It's amazing. Go check it out. Also, this is an oldie and a goodie that I released with Sizzix. Literally, it feels like 100 years ago. It is a 5x7 flip it. Now, I know there are some of you that have been itching to get this die set because you knew I had it a long time ago. You weren't able to get it then. Now you're able to get it now. 5x7 in size. Those 5x7 cards, you guys, really wow people when you give them to them. Last but not least is that twine. Oh, one more thing. Also, we are releasing our fairy paper pad. Now this one's really good, especially if you have the dies that match, but all these colors are absolutely positively gorgeous, and it's so much fun because it matches our fairy kit. Hopefully you're able to get in on that. Now's your chance to get some extra paper pads. Last but not least, we have our twine. I'm so used to saying twin because we have twins. Our twine set. This is really fun. It's this gorgeous blue. We have a blue and white. We have a green and a blue and a white. We have another green, blue, and a white, but thicker. We have a green and a white, and we have a black and white. Now, just a heads up, you guys, the black and white, very, very important. Black and white and green and white are and blue and white. Very popular, perfect for tags or recipe things or anything like that. But now is your chance to stock up on twine at an amazing good price. All in our color palette, by the way. Let's jump in. I do have a couple samples to share with you, and I'm excited about these because I finally get to share them with you. Now, this is actually from a customer. So this is from Lisa in Missouri. I won't say her last name. She sent this to me as a birthday card. I wish there was a date on here. She says, wishing you a very happy birthday. I love watching your videos. They bring a smile to my face. Enjoy those babies. So it's at least 4 years old. You are doing a great job, Grandma. Have a blessed day. Lisa in Missouri. So Lisa in Missouri, thank you for sending one of these cards in. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Isn't that awesome? I know. I love that I get to show that. Now here's one. Cheryl made this one. Look how cute this one is. Ready? 5x7. Thank you. Now it does come with the thank you die, but you don't have to use it, right? You don't have to use it. You can use anything on that corn. Now, in fact, let me show you the dies it comes with because it's kind of important. So it comes with the thank you square as an option. It comes with layering dies that go down here at the bottom. See these layering, the checkerboard? See how those layer at the bottom. It comes with some flowers, it comes with some leaves, and it comes with this fun little square. Let's see if it's on here. It's not on this one. Let's see if it's on this one. Oh, there it is. See that yellow die right there that has the little checkerboards on it? That is also included in the die set. I know, it's pretty awesome. Now, again, it doesn't have to say thank you. Here's another one, though, that says thank you. Thank you with watermelon. You are sweet. Here's another one. Ooh, that uses that frame die I was talking about. Look how gorgeous that is. I love it. Open it up. Thank you. You could do thank you on the inside. And last but not least, that same little frame, but as a diamond. I love it. I love it. And guess what, my friends? Dun, 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 dun. Hidden panel. Yes, you can do the hidden panel technique on this. Look how gorgeous that sunflower is on that little strip. I love it. Club members, I know you know. 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. If you're not in the club, if you're watching this video, that means you like our stuff, right? What you need to do, and I'm just going to be brutally honest with you. What you need to do is just go join the Stamp Club. Go get your toes wet with us. Go check them out. Go check us out. Go see. If you like our stuff, you're going to love the club. Because what? Well, it's $13.99 a month for our Stamp Club. That includes a brand new Made in the USA 4x6 stamp set sent to you every single month. Wait, well, is there shipping on that? Nope. We might have to pay local tax where you live, but other than that, no other fees. $13.99 a month. You get a stamp set. You also get 15% off my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Every single item. So anything I find, every single time I order, as long as I'm a club member. So I could order today and get 15% off. I could order tomorrow and get 15% off again. And every single day, every single item, every single order. 15% off. You also get club points with every order and every club shipment you get to spend on other items. You also get a freebie every couple months. And last but not least, if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate as our thank you gift. Now, what's the time commitment? The time commitment's only 5 years. Just kidding. No, it's only 3 months. That way, you're going to get your toes wet. You're going to decide if you love us or like us or don't. But if you're watching this, you must like us a little bit, right? So what I want you to do is go join at least the Stamp Club. Click on Join the Club tab on our website. Watch that video. It's going to explain in detail each and every one of our clubs and all of the wonderful benefits. Now, we have some people that are new to us. They fall in love with us immediately, and they join every single club we have. They are diamond members. They're pretty amazing. But you know what? If you want to start slow, just start with the Stamp Club. $13.99 a month. Just don't go to one of those coffee places one day a month and boom, your stamp set's paid for. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.